Hey guys, this is Alan Newell with Day One. I'm the master distributor with the company, and we are merging Day One and Nature Good. And I just wanted to cover a little bit about the merger and about the reason that you should join this company. Well, there's several questions that I always ask when I talk about being part of a company, and one is does it have good ownership? Does it have good solid foundation? And we've got Mark Seaforth, who's been in the business for over 40 years as an owner. We've got a debt-free company. We've got a solid base. Somebody who has been in the business forever, retired from the business, has come back, and so we've got a great owner with a huge heart. Has a heart that I always say can't put a tape measure around it, who wants his team to be successful and he wants to leave a legacy. And then you've got to have a good product. So we've got some amazing products out there. We've got our Nature Burst product. We've got our Day One Day Slim Cafe Coffee. We've got some other products online too that are absolutely amazing. You can go check out. So we've got the products, we've got the company, and then you've got to have the systems and tools in place to help people grow and to help people learn how to build a business. And we've got a success manual that we have that takes you step by step exactly how to be successful in the company. We've got a quick start training guide to help you get started in your first 30 to 60 days in the business and how to make money fast. And then you've got to have great leadership. And we've got some amazing leadership. We've got hundreds of years experience in this industry, people who have come from other companies and had great success there, that are put together, who are truly going to help you. And that's the whole thing about our company and the system and this new comp plan and pay plan, is we've designed a comp plan that literally pays people to help people grow their team and to help their downline. Call it selfish generosity, but quite frankly, the more money you make, the more money we make, the more money I make, and so we're going to get paid to help you be successful. Never been done like that in the industry before. And we've got what's called the power of the system of one and the power of three. And the system of one means that you can actually come in this company and only enroll one person and earn as much as $200 a month